Rule number 8, tell the truth or at least don't lie. This has been a sort of theme of everything we've been talking about.
Well, telling the truth is hard, because
you
have to know the truth. And that's hard. But you can know when you're lying. Sometimes you don't know, because what the hell do you know? But sometimes you know. And you can feel that. That's a disjunction of meaning. So you'll know. You see this often with people who are very socially awkward. They'll say something that's sort of grandiose and it really falls flat and everyone's a bit embarrassed, including them. It's like if they were paying attention, they would notice that disunited them and made them weak. And then they wouldn't say it. And so that's the thing about not lying, is that lies make you weak and you can feel it. It's the antithesis of meaning, I would say, because meaning is associated with the truth. So if you're lying, you're at the opposite pole of that. That's the deceit part. And it makes you weak. You think, well, I'll lie and I'll get away with it. It's like, no, you won't. You cannot get away with warping the structure of being. Well, that's why the arrogance comes in. It's like, well, I can lie and get away with it. It's like, I see. Here's your theory. There's all this reality around you that you don't comprehend at all. And there's not that much of you. There's a lot of it. And you're going to do something that isn't in harmony with that, and it's going to work. That's your theory. It's like,
that's some serious narcissism. And yet we all do that to some degree, or at least at some point in our lives, right? We all think we can manage everything.
Well, it's partly because you can get away with it for a short period of time, right? So you think, well, I've got away with it so far. It's like, it's like that funny line in The Simpsons. Bart comes up to Homer and says, Dad, this is the worst day of my life. And Homer says, the worst day of your life so far, Bart. The worst day of your life so far.
That you'll ever do. 2 can be as bad as 1. It's the loneliest number since the number 1.